Welcome to our tutorial on setting up your OneQA Complete free trial. Simply head over to OneQA.com and click on Try OneQA for free. Begin by completing the form with your first and last name, as well as your email. Your company's name becomes your tenant name, essentially the name of your OneQA account. Craft a password adhering to the specified complexity requirements. Afterward, hit Create Account. You'll receive a confirmation email. Please proceed to your inbox, accept the invitation, and click to activate your account. Utilize the password you created during the initial setup. To include coworkers, add their emails, granting them access during your trial with 5 available licenses. Once added, they'll receive activation emails. Additionally, check out a brief tutorial video on building checklists, automating tests, and generating reports using OneQA. To begin, download and install OneQA. We recommend proactively reaching out to your IT service desk to help facilitate your OneQA software installation and to assist with admin rights to your computer. After installation, choose the Get Started dashboard. Customize procedures, run tests, select report templates, and send results to asset management or ERP systems, integrating as needed. View sample procedures and manage your account through the Help Center and account settings in the OneQA licensing portal. If you need to reinstall OneQA, download Fluke Biomedical OneQA here. Select your tenant name to invite team members. You can invite them individually or in bulk using a template file. Input their email addresses and assign roles such as tenant admin, application admin, author, or approver. Remember, your trial includes 5 licenses. Thank you for choosing OneQA.